Hi guys, Kevin here. So I wanted to show you that I purchased this Black & Decker corded 12 amp high performance blower vacuum mulcher. And the reason I got this gadget is because I have a lot of leaves in my yard, and I also have a lot of leaves that gather on the porch and in my herb garden and in the kitchen garden. And I'd like to be able to vacuum those leaves and mulch them and then dump the mulch leaves directly into garden beds. So this gadget seemed like a good deal. It was like $69 at my local hardware store. And you can also buy it on Amazon, I'm sure. So I've just taken it out of the box and I'm going to put it together, which means reading directions. And I really hate reading directions. So I've kind of given myself an overview. So what I'm interested in is not the blower portion, but the vacuum portion. So the vacuum section is this. It's two pieces. This is the upper portion, this is the lower portion, and I guess you put them together. You line up these little triangles here and push together. Not the easiest thing in the world to do. Let's try again. What is this piece? Oh, I think this goes with the blower part. Well, it's going in. Let's see if I can do this without breaking anything. Yeah, I'm probably the least mechanically minded person in the world. Starting to go. We're getting there. Oh, come on. By the way, the directions say that once this is assembled, you just leave it assembled. It clicked on one side. There, bingo, got it. Then you're supposed to, let's see, remove the fan cover. And there's a little button over here. Can you see? And you push that in. Worked. And you remove the fan cover. And then this part goes over the fan. It worked. How about that? Okay, then there is a vacuum bag. Seems like a good sized vacuum bag. And this goes, I'm not even going to read the directions for this part, probably to my own peril or at my own peril, because it seems pretty obvious. Okay, and it's not the lightest thing in the world, but it's not too bad. Then the shoulder, there's a shoulder strap. So this, I guess when you're vacuuming, you vacuum like this. There, shoulder strap. Now, I'm going to go dig out my extension cord, and then I'll take this outside and do a little clip showing you how this machine vacuums up leaves. So I'll be right back. All right, we're outside. Here's the house. Sorry, it's very sunny today. Sunny and cold. So there's probably going to be a lot of glare. And here are the leaves. And it's only, what is today, October 4th? Maybe October 5th, I'm not sure. So the leaves are starting to come down. Let's see if we can get some of the trees in here. I have a lot of maples and oaks in the yard. And all of these trees are like between 100 and 200 years old. Here are, let's go up to the porch. This is where I'm going to be vacuuming. Here are the steps. There's my tripod. And here is the leaf blower mulcher thingy. And it's plugged in. So let's get started. I'm all hooked up. This is probably the cleanest this machine is ever going to look. Brand spanking new. I'm ready to give it a test drive. And we're going to start on, there's a little pile of leaves over here. Let me move you in and lower you. Oops. There we go. I need a new tripod. Okay, here goes nothing. I think this is the power. No. Hey, it'd be really helpful if I knew where the power switch was. Found it. It's working. So far, I like this thing. Let's try the steps. Yeah, we just had these steps painted recently, and already they look, well, pretty bad. Here we go. Okay, I'll finish this up and then I'll come back. Okay, I've detached the mulching bag and it has this nifty zipper on the bottom. So let's unzip and let's see what we ended up with. This is not ultimately where the mulch would go. I just want to demonstrate this. Yeah, I'd say this machine did a very good job of mulching the leaves. I mean, the pieces are really, really finely shredded. So this machine did a very good job vacuuming up all of the leaves and little twigs and things from the front porch and the porch steps. I look forward to using it on the pathways in my kitchen garden and my herb garden and maybe elsewhere on the property. So I'm happy with my purchase, and I thank you for watching this video. I just wanted to show you my new toy. I'll see you very soon. Please subscribe if you like and leave a comment below. Bye for now.